7.9% of inflation shaking down the market of the cryptocurrency stock and NFTs. Executive orders from Joe Biden to regulate cryptocurrency. In the meantime, Israel announced that they are going to regulate cryptocurrency and announced that their central banks have to come up with reason why they should refuse not regulating their cryptocurrency. Of course, everything that you need to know about the space of NFT, cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. If you like the video, stay tuned. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, then my name is Musti and I bring you videos about the cryptocurrency market, NFT space every day, teaching you how to make money. If you like the content, hit that like, subscribe to the channel and follow me on my Twitter for more updates. In today's video, the first thing I want to talk is that Joe Biden issued an executive orders where we had a bump in Bitcoin yesterday at around 38,000 all the way to $42,000 region, and we dumped all the way back to around 38,000. The reason why, because the most bigger population country, which is China, pulled up their strings from India, which they announced that India loses foreigners investment. Chinese indices that continues a downtrend. Crypto suffers an off day. So the largest country in the world pull up their strings from India and pull up their businesses due to the conflict that's going on between Russia and Ukraine, and that of course has a impact on the cryptocurrency market. For the long term, we are still bullish on Bitcoin, but for the short term, there is a lot of FUD going on in the market, so we could expect more and more of dump. Now, a quick overview of the market. The market cap is running at around $1.767 trillion, which is pretty early for people and investors to get into the cryptocurrency market, into the DeFi's, into the space, into NFTs, and explore what's going on and what's happening nowadays. Bitcoin at the moment of recording is sitting at around 39,589. Ethereum is sitting at around 2,600 approximately. Luna and XRP and Cardano have been performing very well. Pretty much Luna performed very well and broke all-time high in the previous few days due to their TUSD stablecoin and the benefits that they can provide to their holders. So at the moment, the cryptocurrency market in the short-term aspect running in a bearish indicators, except a few other top 10 coins in the market performing very well due to the news that's coming up about the new developments, about stable coins and other things. So in the moment, the cryptocurrency market running in a bearish indicators. So in the short term, we are not bullish, we are a little bit bearish. In the short term, we indicate that Bitcoin could dip to lower prices, but of course everything depends on the news. So I want to take you to the chart and show you what is happening on the Bitcoin. On the daily chart of Bitcoin, we have formed so far a trend line where we bounced several times from this trend line and we made a higher low every time we came down. We have it 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we had a daily closing below the level of 39,500, which could lead Bitcoin to drop all the way down to 32,000 region to $34,000. Now, if we get a daily closing below the level of 38,000 approximately, we could have Bitcoin dumping all the way to $34,000. And guys, if Bitcoin dips down to $34,000 or to $32,000, there will open a new opportunities for other investors who did not get the chance to buy Bitcoin at certain prices. And the reason why I'm saying that, because the first news of the day is that the Bank of Israel publishes a draft guidance for crypto deposit, where Israelis are considering to regulate cryptocurrency in their country. This is going to bring a lot of attention to the cryptocurrency market. For the holders of the short term, they are getting shaken out. My advice to you, if you hear all this FUD, if you see a lot of news coming up in the market right now telling you that Bitcoin is going to zero, Bitcoin is going to $10,000, going to $15,000, this is a lot of news. They are trying to make you sell your Bitcoin so they can buy at a huge discount and sell in higher prices. So at the moment, we have Israel Central Bank publish a draft regulations potentially opening up the country's financial system to crypto companies by requiring a bank to examine a company's individuals rather than apply a blank refusals. So this is going to be very huge for the Israeli people. This is going to open up new opportunities for them to get into the cryptocurrency market. Of course, on the news today, we also have that Dubai regulated the cryptocurrency in their market, and as we all know that Dubai is one of those countries where they hold huge fund of money that they could invest in the cryptocurrency market, and for the long term, Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market in general could bump to a higher levels. In the short term, of course, we are running in a bearish time. We are running in Bitcoin consolidating between the $42,000 to the $38,000 region, so we can't expect much of a rise up. We're also on the news. After the news of the executive orders of Biden, we have the Professor Coral said that the President Biden issues an executive order to regulation of cryptocurrency Wednesday. The professor explained that the executive orders basically task a various US agencies and institutions to come up with comprehensive plan for the regulation of a broad set of digital assets. So this actually could be, like, we all know that Bitcoin is not controlled by anyone, but this news, this executive orders that came up by Biden could have some impact where they will be able to manipulate the market, to push some fat, to shake the weak strings and make people sell at some prices and let them to buy at a huge discount where other people will not find the opportunities to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency markets. So at the point, if you're holding Bitcoin, if you're holding any cryptocurrency in the market, if you're buying NFTs, then just hold it. I'm not a financial advisor, but what I'm doing at the moment is I'm holding my bags. Every time I see Bitcoin dipping down, I buy more Bitcoin, and I keep on buying Bitcoin because I know Bitcoin is the future of the financial freedom. Moving on to the NFT space, there is something that came up today, and I wanted to show it to a lot of people actually, where we saw the news today. We have a report of the SoftBank's internet firm Z holding a plan to launch its NFTs mall in over 180 countries across the world. This is going to be very huge for the NFT market. Of course, the NFT market at the moment running at a market cap of around $676 million. We had a bump all the way from $100 million to around $4 billion on January 1st, and that was the hype of the NFTs, where NFTs were bumping very hard. At the moment, if you are planning to buy NFTs, if you are planning to get into NFTs, since NFTs is a very, very high risk investment, you should watch my video. I'll leave you a link in the description where you will be able to see what kind of NFTs should you be looking for, and what NFTs you should be buying according to some aspects that I will be explaining in the video down in the link. So this is pretty much everything that we have to know about NFTs. On the OpenSea, all the blue chip projects are being dumping pretty hard. We have Bored Ape dumping at 25%, we have Azuki at 14% minus, we have Mutant Ape Yacht at 7%, and we have some increasing in others and some decreasing in other. We have Invisible Friends, one of those projects that had a lot of hype, running at 80% minus. So a lot of projects are dipping at the moment, and what we can expect from the NFT space is there is a time where the market goes up and there is a time when the market goes down. So the smart people will be selling their assets and their NFTs and their holdings of bags when the market reaches to the top, and when the market returns to a lower prices, they will start be buying what projects they think are going to benefit them in the future. So the main idea of buying NFTs is to think of buying an NFT that will benefit you by holding it, such as giving you staking or giving you rewards on your NFT, or even giving you another NFT, or giving you opportunities of getting to other projects by getting whitelisted holding that specific NFT. Pretty much this is everything that we had for today. If you like the video, press the like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter. I publish everything about the cryptocurrency and NFT space, so you will be always alerted when I post something. Thank you very much for watching me, and see you in another video.